What's up guys, today I'm gonna be modifying my cowl so it looks like the one from an M3. It's gonna save some weight and also look better. I started off by removing the air filter. You need to replace it with these smaller red ones. I'm gonna give you a link down in the description below. You can also buy M3 cowl, but I'm broke. Now let's get back to the video. I tucked the cables in the back. Then I remove these plastic covers and everything else in the way. To cut the cowl I used angle grinder and I've cut it to the M3 shape. I sanded down the edges. Then I used door seal. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. So this is how it looks. I think it looks amazing. This is how it looked like before. This is how it looks like now. I also did water test. As you can see, nothing went on the engine. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons. Let's start off by the pros. You reduce the weight on the front of a car. If you remove everything like I did, it's gonna be 6.5 pounds. I also noticed more engine sound, especially the intake sound. Also it looks better. It's easier to work on the engine because you don't have as much stuff to remove. Now the cons. I noticed more engine heat getting into the cabin. That's everything I noticed. Anyways, that's it for today's video. See you next time.